It's a new year, so why not have a new smile and maybe use those new dental benefits that are now recharged in your account perhaps? Well, you don't have to just go anywhere you don't want to, right? There's somebody that really cares about what they do, and his team is waiting for you. There's one place to visit, all right? Check it out. Always guaranteed to feel comfortable and cared for. We're visiting in the new year with our good friend, dentist Steve Marsh. It's great to see you.
Always a pleasure to have you back in my office.
It's a really good time for a lot of people to start the new year with a new look.
You know, it's really important. Sometimes people's insurance coverage may start over. Sometimes they have an HSA account. And sometimes due to the weather or whatever, they have time to come in and see us. So the new year, as part of a New Year's resolution, we talk about our weight. Why not get a beautiful smile?
You know, we're going to feature some patients that actually have a brand new smile, all because of you and your team.
Yeah, thanks. And we're going to start over here with Deborah.
Okay.
So Deborah had some bonding done years ago, actually in Los Angeles. She was an actress. She's come back to take care of her family. And years ago, she had some bonding, she had some veneers, and she really wanted things to look better.
There's a timeline with bonding, isn't there?
There is. So bonding is a composite material, and composite after a period of time sometimes will chip, it'll discolor a little, where porcelain is like a piece of china. It always retains its beauty.
Okay. So what did you do with Deborah?
So with Deborah, we took off the bonding. We actually planned it out, Joe, because she was very particular, and we like particular patients. We seem to have a lot of them, and that's okay with us. So we took off the bonding, and we talked about how many teeth, and Joe, she said she had 8 teeth done years ago, and she's ready to do 8 more teeth. So we did 8 porcelain veneers, we did some gum contouring, and we gave her this absolutely beautiful smile. And like many, she said she wished she had done it years before. So Kevin's in business, and for years wanted to take care of his smile, never had much time, and actually had some time for the first time in many years to take care of himself. And he had not had any cosmetic work. We did 8 porcelain veneers to give him that beautiful smile, and like Debbie said, he should have done it years ago. So Connie's entering a new stage of her life. She's in her 50s. She always was a little bit embarrassed by the space between her teeth. Wasn't pleased with it. Wasn't pleased with where her lateral hung down. That's the viewer's left.
Right.
And so we did some gum contouring first. And Joe, we wanted to make it proportional, so we did 4 porcelain veneers. We'll do a couple more in the future, but gave her a smile that she said she's comfortable with for the first time.
What a transformation.
And I appreciate those
really,
kind words.
Beautiful.
And she felt similarly, especially going on to a different part of her life. And lastly, Sharon. Now, Sharon is in her 70s. She has a husband who's actually been sick, and she's been taking care of her husband for years. And he said, as a present, I want you to take care of yourself.
Oh, wow.
And she was always bothered, obviously, by her smile. She had had some bonding, an occasional crown. And we did these porcelain veneers to give her that beautiful smile that she said, I'm proud of. And I've tell you, she almost had tears, she said, when her husband saw them for the first time.
Well, Doctor, you bring it up. It can be very emotional for people. A lot of times, even coming to the dentist to begin with. But when they come here and they realize there's a calmness when you walk through your doors. You and your team do such a great job of making sure everybody is calm and peaceful, and you work so well together as a team, and the patient relationship that you have per doctor and patient, you get rave reviews because of it.
Well, thank you. And I think that one of the keys, Joe, is we try not to have any judgment. Like, for example, we talked about Sharon. Sharon said, I didn't have the time. She worked her whole life. Now she's taking care of a husband who's not really well. And his encouragement made her feel like she was doing it for herself, but him. And I can't tell you how gratifying it is for us, for someone to feel comfortable. Again, no judgment. We don't know what people have had in their past, so we want to move forward and give them something they've always wanted.
Well, as we kick off the new year, it'd be a great start for a new smile for you. If you'd like to call Dr. Marsh and his awesome team, they're waiting for you at 440-461-1003. The website is so easy to get to. Simply log on to clevelandsmiles.com. Thank you so much, Doctor.
My pleasure, Joe.
Happy New Year.
Thank you.